shower. Got your hot and your cold water lines. Mixing valve. These two knobs here. This one here goes for your direct shower head. This one here goes up, over, through the can lights, and over top for a rain head shower. Now also, come across here, we have one for a handheld unit. Also, we now have a steam shower generator. So there's your water inlet, your steam outlet. Your steam outlet goes around through this wall, comes across there. There's a nice decorative plate that goes over that once the towel gets finished. Then there's two drains that come out from the inside, which are those two nipples there. We'll have some spouts coming down, real decorative, real nice. And then your water lines and supplies, yeah, these go down because they're drains on the very bottom. These two up top are water. These wires come through here, go to the control box. All the way across here, all the way through here, all the way through here. This guy here is going to be a push button start, so if you're outside taking a dump, washing your hands, you just push this little, there'll be a little knob on the outside, push it here. On the inside of the shower, there'll be another line that comes in here for your control panel, temperature, pressure, and all that good stuff. So, it took me about 9 hours.